Essence of entrepreneurship. What does it take to become an entrepreneur? Is it just about starting a business or something more? From identifying a problem to crafting an innovative solution, entrepreneurs thrive on turning challenges into opportunities. Entrepreneurship isn't just a career choice, it's a mindset, a lifestyle. It's about seeing opportunities where others see obstacles. Welcome to the essence of entrepreneurship. It's not merely about ideas, it's about making those ideas happen. Entrepreneurs are the architects of innovation. They turn dreams into reality, disrupt industries, and redefine success. But it's not all glamour. It's about embracing failures, learning from them, and having the resilience to keep going despite the odds. The essence of entrepreneurship lies in perseverance, adaptability, and unwavering determination. It's about pushing boundaries, taking risks, and staying true to your vision, even when no one else believes in it. Great entrepreneurs aren't just dreamers. They are visionaries, leaders, and catalysts for change. Remember, the essence of entrepreneurship is not just about reaching a destination. It's about enjoying the journey, embracing every challenge, and making a difference. Ready to embark on your entrepreneurial journey? Subscribe now for more tips, stories, and inspiration to kickstart your path to success. So, if you have a dream, a passion, or a vision, remember, the essence of entrepreneurship lies within you. Dare to dream, dare to innovate, and dare to be an entrepreneur. Follow us on social media for daily doses of entrepreneurial wisdom. Join our community today. Subscribe now to join our community of aspiring entrepreneurs and turn your dreams into reality.